Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'll show you how to change screen recording sound settings on this device. So first, just how to use screen recording on our device. Just first we should add screen recording icon here to our control center. To do that, we should first open the settings and then tap to control center section. Here we'll find somewhere in more controls screen recording icon. Just let's click to this green plus to add the screen recording option to control center. Now just let's open it, and we can see here the screen recording icon. Hold for a while this icon, and before you will start a screen recording, you can change your sound settings. So now by press to start screen recording, we'll record only the mute video. And if you wanna use the microphone to comment something in your screen recording, you should click here on this microphone switcher. Just we can see here that the microphone is in red color, and it means that the microphone is activated. If you want to turn it off, we should click here on the microphone icon once again. And after that, we should start our recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.